Hey guys, here are a couple of tools that you can use to ease tension and kind of actually temporarily reduce the appearance of cellulite too. So these are two foam rollers. You can use foam rollers to smooth out and kind of reduce tension in your skin and muscle and the fascia and just your body tissues. So these are a couple different options that you can shop around your this is a pretty light density. There are various densities, and the firmer ones are going to be a little bit harder, but and kind of produce a little bit of a firmer roll. So you can try different ones, but you're going to basically perform like a self-massage. And if you're trying to target areas that are kind of laden with cellulite, that's going to be maybe the hips, the buttocks, the abs, and so on. And so you basically, if I just demonstrate the like hamstring area, you can just sit and just roll and do several seconds on each area, each kind of major muscle group, and then move on. And it's not going to be a permanent solution to reduce cellulite, but that easing of the tension, that myofascial release that you're doing, that fascia is just kind of a coating of tissue that covers the whole body, and you're kind of easing that out. It can get really kind of stuck, and so with your workouts and your daily life, sometimes it helps to have a little bit of massage to help smooth things out. And so using a foam roller is one option. So you're both reducing, kind of easing stress, reducing tension, promoting healing, and overall health and well-being. A couple other really nice areas to stretch would be to kind of come to your side or to roll. Kind of just roll down the IT band area. You can do your quads laying on your front, and I would not roll on any bony area, especially like the spine, or just stick to muscle. And but otherwise, you can repeat that. It's really a nice way to start and end a workout, or even start and end your day. So try foam rolling for both cellulite kind of reduction, just temporarily reducing the appearance of it, and also just overall health and well-being, stress reduction, relief in tension and any kind of muscle aches and muscle pains.